What's up guys, it's Rudy and today I'm going to be opening this HomePod from Apple. I decided to go for space gray just because I think it looks a little bit more sleek. It just looks better overall. So let's open it. I'm very excited. It's my first HomePod. Okay, so there we go. So I do have a Google Home and I do have an Echo Dot. Out of those two, I prefer the Google Home. So this is the most expensive of the three. So let's open it. There we go. Oh, look at that. Nice. I love how this looks. It looks so nice. There we go. And then you have your cable right here. And this is the HomePod essentially. And then you have instructions. And of course your Apple sticker. And that's pretty much it. Nothing else in the box. So let's put this all together. There you go, it's setting up. I'm very excited. So yeah, for those of you, whoa, the whole table vibrated. They go on and on. If you go to HomePod and the Apple website, they go on and on about the sound, about the bass system and all that. So I did feel that. It was pretty strong. Pretty strong bass just from that sound. But yes, Google Home, that's what I use mainly. That's what I have my lights connected to. I do have smart lights. That's the only smart product that I have at home. So I'm hoping that this can connect to my smart lights. I don't know if I'm ready to give up my Google Home yet. We'll see what this can do. My Google Home is one of my favorite products just because it's tiny. It has really good sound quality for what it's worth. And I like the interchangeable caps or bases. This is what mine currently looks like. I love the black and white. The Google Home has like a more air freshener look to it. And it does look like a smart system, while the HomePod just looks like a plain speaker, but it does Siri. It connects to all your applications. So we'll give this guy a run and I'll keep you guys updated if I completely drop this or not. All right, let's see. It's taking a while to set up. So right away it asked me if I want to pay for Apple Music, but I use Spotify and I buy my songs too, so I'm gonna say not now, for now. Setting up. What do you guys think looks best? HomePod or the Google Home? I really do like the black and on white, but this does look nice too, so I don't know. I guess it depends where you place it. Like this could be more in the kitchen, this could be more in the living room. Let me know what you guys think.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, let's try it." Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Play some music. What music would it play?
Playing all songs, shuffled. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
All right. Hey. Stop. I guess that's it. That was a quick setup. Play Nico and the Niners.
Nico and the Niners by 21 Pilots now playing.
If you guys don't know this song, go check it out. It's a very good song. One of my favorites right now. Hey, fast forward 20 seconds. Turn it up.
I'm on it.
The bass is ridiculous. I wish you guys could feel what I'm feeling. The whole table's shaking. Siri, stop. I like it. I really do like it. The sound is very good. No, I don't want to say goodbye to you. Alright guys, so first impressions. The sound is very good. Siri is very responsive. With Google Home, sometimes I tell, "Hey Google, do this," and it lags a little, or sometimes it doesn't listen and it says, can you repeat it? With this, it was quick, it heard me, but yeah, so far I like it. The sound is a lot different. You can totally feel the bass, you can feel how clear it is, it's very crisp. I'm gonna connect it to my lights next and see how quick it turns them on and off and all that good stuff. Okay, so probably you guys are all here for the big thing, which is how I got this for $157. So there are some pages online where they post deals, or they post store glitches, website glitches. Stores sometimes make mistakes and they post a price for something that's a lot lower. So that's what happened with this. There on Sunday night, there was a store that had a glitch and they let you stack coupons. So I did that. I went to that store, I used the coupons and I stacked them, and that's how I got this for $157. If you guys are interested, comment below and I'll let you guys know the website and the Twitter links for all of that, so you guys can follow them and keep up with it. But yes, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and comment if you want to see more unboxing videos. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell button so you get notified every time I post. I post gaming videos every Monday and Fridays. Thank you guys and have a good day.